Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Gemini to make calls easy method. Open the Gemini app, sign in with your account, and enable microphone and contacts access when prompted. Tap the Calls tab, choose a contact, and select voice or video call. Use clear phrases for voice commands and confirm the contact name aloud. If you encounter issues, restart the app and check network settings for better call quality. Before calling, check device permissions and connection stability so calls start smoothly. Open settings, confirm microphone and contacts access, and allow notifications for incoming calls. Prefer Wi-Fi or a solid LTE/5G signal for consistent audio and video performance. Close background apps that may use bandwidth or the microphone. Finally, update your operating system and the Gemini app to ensure the latest calling features and security improvements are active. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free audio and simple voice control that complements Gemini calls. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video so I can make more content like this. The Echo Dot can boost call audio on speaker mode and pair easily with your device. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Start by opening the Calls tab and locating a contact using Search or Recent Activity. Tap the contact and pick Voice or Video Call, then wait for the connection tone. For hands-free dialing, say a clear command like Call John Smith on Gemini and confirm when the contact appears. During calls, use the mute, speaker, or camera buttons as needed. End the call with the red hang-up button when you are finished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.